I'm Charlotte Tilbury and I'm backstage at Victoria's Secret Fashion Show, and these are my kit essentials. We are making everyone look like gorgeous golden goddesses with a bit of that kind of angelic filter glow on the skin, because I wanted them all to just sort of look very fresh and glowing, and you know, but also to have a kind of sort of dreamy filter on their flesh glowing skin. So the skin was like that angelic filter was like a big thing that we were doing. And so how we're achieving that is we're using magic cream. So if you want a beautiful painting, you have to have a beautiful canvas, and magic cream is the best moisturizer in the world. It literally like instantly turns around your skin because it's got barnet peptide and collagen and all the rest of it. So this is amazing. And then how we're getting the filter, we're using Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now this is a little bit like an Instagram filter, but an angelic one in a tube. It gives you that super starlit glow, as you can see on Shay. It's amazing, and it smooths out. I mean, not that Shay has any lines or pores, but look at that skin. A little bit of my kind of foundation mixed in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and then the best thing is Magic Away. Magic Away gives you these. This is an incredible concealer, because like literally it's like gives you the most. They're like magic wands.
Is that the one with the cushion?
Yeah, this is the one with the cushion.
I love that one. Yeah.
Exactly. We were like magic wand of makeup, Magic Away for the perfect skin day every day underneath the eyes. It's HGTV, right, on that runway, and so it shows up everything. So it's really important at Victoria's Secret. We always do a test. And so they do a kind of, so you do the makeup test the day before. Shay knows this, so she was at the test with me, and then we go onto the runway and we get the HGTV and we see how the makeup looks on with the lighting and how it appears on TV. So these little things are so fabulous, because for HGTV it's not concealer that sits in the pores, it like smooths everything out, because HGTV is the most unforgiving thing in the world. As a makeup artist, you're like, no, why did they invent HGTV? Anyway, so talking about HGTV, these powders are amazing. These are AIRBRUSH Flawless Finish, and they really give you that very smooth look, and they're on the runway. So what we wanted to do with Shay, and we've got a bit of glitter on there, we wanted to literally like take a little bit of powder and just put the powder around the nose and underneath the eyes, just there, and it just smooths everything out. And it's so micro fine, the powder, that it just nothing, you know, it makes everything look very beautiful and smooth. Obviously I talked to you about the Victoria's Secret this showstopper lip colour, which is fabulous, my collagen lip balm mixed together. And we also have a little bit of the Victoria's Secret mascara. But now the eyes, who doesn't want goddess eyes? So this is it. This is the EXAGGER-EYES palette, and I launched this and sold out, and I bought it back especially for today's show. They just look like dreamy goddesses, the kind of angel beings that kind of drop down to earth, as if nature naturally blessed them with this kind of magical glamour of just sort of, you know, an angelic filter. And it really is, like, I always think the Victoria's Secret angels always cast a spell on us.